morning everyone. We are off to Koh Samed and right now we are at One Tip Pier, which is not too far from Pattaya. And we're gonna take a big boat, so it's gonna take a little bit longer to reach Koh Samed, about 50 minutes ride, but you can also opt for a speedboat, which is I think around 15 minutes instead. So we are planning to spend about 3 days there at Koh Samed, and I cannot wait to show you the best beaches over there. This is what a 2,000 baht per night gets you at Koh Samed. So as you can see, it's a little bit messy, but that's because we have already stayed in this room for a night. And this is the bedroom. The bed is very comfortable, and you have this garden view from the back. And of course, you have complimentary water, kettles, a small TV. Have you seen this TV before? Yes, but we don't even use it. The good thing is that the AC is brand new, keeping the room very warm. You have also a closet in here with a safe, a fridge, and of course a toilet here, shower over here, and it's with warm water. And outside of the bedroom you also have a space to sit and space to hang your wet clothes. And this is the view. I am about maybe 10 meters walk from the beach right here. These rooms are a bit old, but I would say they are very well maintained, and where else can you get a 2,000 baht per night and being able just to be within few steps of the sea. Summit View is a resort that have a private beach, so it's not too crowded. This beach mostly is the hotel guests, and the good thing about this place is that it has a lot of trees around, so you can always get some shades if the sun is peaking at noon, and it's very enjoyable to spend your afternoon on the beach relaxing. This is my sister. It's her first time riding scooter. She received a training for 1 minute and now she's on the road.
Okay, you ready? ปกติจากก่อนเอา
This This is our lunch spot for today. We found this small restaurant that is doing pizza. So we're gonna try that and look at this view. There are not many people on this beach and the water is super clear and the beach is very clean. We are waiting for food. As soon as they arrive, I'm gonna show you what we are having today. For myself, I got a pineapple smoothie, fresh pineapple. Excellent, excellent. Never disappoints on the island. Good?
That's good. Cold.
Oh yeah.
Good banana.
Taste of real banana.
Really?
Yeah. Good morning. This is such a beautiful sight. Waking up to this. Listen to how calming the waves are to your ears. The weather is perfect, clear blue sky, and we have a high tide this morning. So before we go for a swim, let's check out their breakfast. And it's a buffet style. Usually they have a few choices between Western and Thai cuisine on the menu. Morning, honey.
Morning. Eating breakfast.
Very good. Okay, I'm gonna get mine now. Let me show you quickly what they have. Egg sausages, scrambled eggs, and these are like Thai food. Soup, and I think that should be fried fish on the other side. Fried rice, porridge. Salad selections from here. This is my breakfast view. We're eating right on the beach, a few meters away from the ocean, from the sea. I have been to Koh Samed so many times, and I think this is the third time that I choose to stay here at Summit View, and that's because of the snorkeling. They have beautiful corals, like 10-minute swim out in the sea, and there you go, very well preserved, giant clams, lots of fish, and I will take you swimming with me. Snorkeling on Hawaii beach was amazing. So many giant clams. And if you go during the low tide, the visibility is so clear, and you are about 1 meters just above the seabed, so you can see them very, very clear. I am at the most southern point of Koh Samed Island, which is also part of the national park. And we're gonna check out the viewpoint. Let's go. This is so beautiful. This is the first view that you see as soon as you comes to the parking lot. So there are two directions, one way to watch the sunrise and the other way to watch the sunset. We are gonna check out the sunrise view first. So they recently built this bridge that would go all the way to the other side of the beach. So let's try and see what view we're gonna get on the other side. Yes, we are now at the edge of the bridge, and I think we can almost see the sunset side here. Yeah. Okay, let's explore. It seems like many tiny pyramid has been built out here. If you try to climb up. So we found another path right at the end to that bridge, and not sure where this is gonna lead us. Hopefully back to the office or either the pathway. So that's right, without knowing, we kind of merged to the sunset viewpoint, and then we came out from the path to there. And this is it. It's a very short loop, very nice for a short walk. I came here at midday, so I would recommend either come here in the morning or close to sunset. This way you won't get too hot for you. Welcome to Koh Samed. This is the Cycle Beach, the main beach of Koh Samed, where you have lots of restaurants. You also have the walking street on the side for some souvenir shop. Just briefly about how to get to Koh Samed from Bangkok. So I booked a car through Grab. So that would cost around 3,000, depending on the type of car. I'm choosing the SUV, but if you are just using a sedan car, it's gonna be a lot cheaper, maybe 2,000 for one way. And for the boat tickets, I prefer to book in advance. I'm using one2go.com, so I will leave the link in the description below if you're interested. It's about 200 baht round trip per person. And I happened to book the boat for 11 a.m. But then I reach here at 9:30 a.m. and I asked them to change my time to depart at 10, and it was very easy. So as long as they have seats on the boat, they'll be happy to exchange for you if you arrive before the departure time.